together for 2018
As husband and wife.
as husband.
And fashion.
Our flight is delayed. We were supposed to fly at 7:50. It's already 7:44 and there is still no boarding announcement yet.
Thank you.
Arrived in Manila. Waiting for our Starex. I think that's the one. We are transferring cars from Starex to this one. It's much bigger. This is a Hilux. We're transferring vehicles. I don't know where we are because all the time we were driving here, I was asleep. I think we are in Crame. Camp Crame, but I don't know which part. There's a museum, PNP Museum. It's 11:50. We're going out from Crame. Crame, ni Dad?
Yeah.
We're going out from Crame and we are going to, where are we going, Dad?
We're going home to Cebu.
No. Right after here, where are we going?
We're going to Cebu.
We're going to Baguio.
No, Cebu.
Baguio.
But we will stop by
NLEX.
NLEX
Have
to
lunch.
have lunch. Two 2:20 p.m. First stop, late lunch. We've been eating here for the third year in a row. It's very good food here. Moving out to Baguio. It's 3:01. Dad, how many hours?
2.
Maybe 2 or 1.5.
Maybe 2 or 1.5 before we reach Baguio. We've stopped at 7-Eleven somewhere in La Union. Camp 1, Rosario, La Union, to have some ice cream. $7-Eleven ice cream, 15 pesos only. 18 pesos because it's 2 flavors. Yes! Touchdown Baguio! Woohoo! I've been here many times, but this place is still so amazing. And they're celebrating Chinese New Year tomorrow. Kung Hei Fa Chon. I think this is our third year coming here. Third year? Third or fourth year. But this is the first time as husband and wife. Dun dun da da. Dun dun da da. We are at the second hotel where Marge and I will stay. My sister and my brother were supposed to stay with us here, but my mom needs makeup on Saturday and she needs my sister. So my sister will sleep there and my brother will join her. We are here at Albergo Hotel in Baguio City. We also stayed here last year.
That was not last year. That was the other year.
Reservation
Doon lang kami sa parking, sir.
Okay, back in manner. We're back. We are about to do something. I don't know where and what.
Paano lang tayo?
Chinese New Year is tomorrow and they're starting the celebration tonight.